Google Maps will now have all the years-old travel information. You are watching Tech Singers and this is Trips and Trick. As we know, all smartphones have built GPS and Google Maps. Google Maps tells you which places you went to, apart from how long you stayed there and where you clicked the photo. Google Maps is a Google product that we keep using the day we come across. Through this, we can go to the place of your choice without asking any route. Apart from this app prevents us from trapping in traffic. But do you know that with the help of Google Maps, you can find complete information about any of your travel years? So use this feature of Google Maps to make your old memories live again and make these steps fall. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app on your smartphone or tablet. Step 2. Tap on the 3 dots button towards the left, in the app. Step 3. Now tap on your timeline. You will now see a screen where you will see Explore your timeline. Tap on Let's Go option. Step 4. On the top right you will see the calendar icon option, second from right, tap on it. After this, one window will be open, which will be visible on the day of the ongoing month. You can also go in the last month too, or maybe a year. Step 5. Now tap on the day that you want to see Google Map activity. You can view the location history of the selected day. Apart from this, you can get information about all of the time from the route to your trip. I hope you like Google Maps trick. If yes, comment it. And also subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon so you never forget my video updates.